Hi everyone, so today we're going to be making a Latte Macchiato using our Nespresso machine. Now when we make this drink we're looking for sort of 3 layers. It's probably one of the easiest recipes on the Nespresso website, but it looks difficult, doesn't it? But it isn't. So I'm just going to set this off now. I'm going to use the extra froth setting today, but if you've got an Aeroccino 3 then you can just use the normal froth setting. That'll work as well. But I quite like the extra froth setting. Also set the machine going, ready so that it's warm, nice and warm, ready to go when our milk's finished. So to prepare this drink, all you've got to do, dead simple, is just pour your milk into your glass, and what will happen is the consistency of the milk will mean that that settles at the bottom here, and then the foam will settle on top of it, and then the coffee, when we pour that in, will be lighter than the milk, so it will sit just on top of the milk, but below the foam. Interestingly though, it doesn't do it straight away. You have to let it settle for a little bit first, and then as you drink it as well, you'll find that it tends to mix a little bit with the bottom layer, which is good, because it creates a nice creamy layer of milk below that's got a little bit of coffee in it, but not too much. So I'll put, the milk needs to go in, so we're just waiting for the milk to finish now. This is the Aeroccino 4, by the way. This is the Pure Rock dispenser. We've got reviews of those on our channel, so if you want to see any of those, then be sure to check those out. I'll actually link to a playlist after the video with those reviews on it. Almost done now. I've just realised I put a new whisk in my Aeroccino 4 and it's frothing up a lot more than I intended. But hopefully we'll be okay. Just a couple more seconds now. It takes about, with the extra froth, I think it takes about 1 minute 20. Something like that. But it's a really, I'd had one of these earlier and they're so nice, these Latte Macchiatos. Really nice drink. But so easy to prepare and they look so good in these glasses. These are the View Nespresso glasses, recipe glasses that I got from Nespresso. You can get a taller version as well if you're interested in that. So let's just take this off. So we pour the froth milk in. You pour it in quite high because although an espresso, you know, they're quite wide at the top of these glasses, so you can pour plenty of milk in. I'll pour it a little bit more in. Hopefully it's not too much, should be just right that. See, the machine's ready to go, pre-warmed. And it's as simple as just letting a shot of espresso run through. And it really does look good. For such a simple process, it looks so good afterwards. And tastes good as well. So you'll start to see it filter through down here in a minute. There you go, you can see that layer appearing. It's mixing with the milk below, but it will eventually start to settle into a layer. You can see there the layers starting to appear, and that becomes more pronounced the longer you leave it. I'm just going to leave it a little bit longer so you can see how it starts to separate. How easy is that though? It's not difficult, but it looks difficult, doesn't it, when you first look at the glass? You can see that layer's starting to get thicker now in the middle with the coffee. And I'll take a little sip of it so you can see how it starts to mix as well. So I've had a little sip and you can see it just starts to mix that creamy layer underneath and form a real separation between this layer underneath, a layer of espresso, and then your layer of thick foam on top. So I hope you found that useful. Dead easy video, dead easy drink to make, sorry. Please check out our reviews, check out our other how to make drinks. We're going to be doing a lot more of these now. I've got these recipe glasses. So please follow us, subscribe, and please like the video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.